What is SEO? Let me explain for dummies. I say dummies not to be rude, but because this explanation is meant to be super simple. So even those with the simplest understanding of business and digital marketing can really understand what it is. Now I'll explain what it is, what the core principles are, and why it is a vital source of traffic for most successful businesses, not all. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it's the science of improving a website so that it is more visible on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to talk only about Google, as Google's got about 85% of the search market, and as such, if you focus on Google's SEO guidelines, you'll gain the biggest share of qualified search traffic. So why is SEO important? Well, whenever somebody needs a product or service, they'll jump on Google and they will search for it. This means that with SEO, your business has the opportunity to be in front of your target customer at the exact moment that they're looking for your products or services. Now, this is why when you look at the engagement metrics for SEO in comparison to other disruptive forms of traffic, such as Google Ads or social media, it will almost always be higher and will often have more than double the amount of conversions. Even if your clients have come to you from a referral or any other source, there is extremely strong chance that they will check you out on Google before they do any business with you. They will likely look at your Google reviews, your Google business profile, and your overall presence on social channels. Consumers today are super defensive and they're suspicious. They're going to want to check you out on Google before they do business with you. So you have to manage your business's presence on the search engines if you want to succeed. And this is all a part of SEO. In its simplest form, SEO involves three key elements. Number one is keywords. These are the words and phrases that people put into Google. And with good SEO, you ensure that your website is optimized to be found for the relevant keywords to your business. For example, if you're a family lawyer, you'd want to be found for terms such as family lawyer near me or family legal advice near me. Number two is quality content. This is about producing high quality content around your expertise that matches what your target market is searching for. Your target market will be asking Google questions about your area of expertise, and you can see this in the frequently asked section of Google when you enter the seed keywords like this. By producing high quality content that matches these relevant search terms, you can gain exposure and win traffic from your target audience. And number three, and finally, is backlinks. These are clickable links that take someone from another website to your website. And we've got a great video that gives you 3 easy tips on how to generate these backlinks for free. So please give that a watch if you're interested. Now, as far as Google is concerned, backlinks are a great measure of identifying which websites are trustworthy and authoritative and which ones aren't. The trouble with SEO is that it does take time. It's not immediate, and if you're a brand new business, it may take a few years to start gaining high quality traffic from search engines. The other issue is that no one goes to page 2, or very few people do. Some studies suggest that only approximately 4%. So you've got to be up there on page 1, and the higher up the page you are, the more traffic you're going to get. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how you can dominate the search rankings. Produced by my agency, Lilac James, we're actively in the trenches delivering SEO for our clients day in, day out. Let's get it done.